To create an echo effect in Premiere Pro, start by selecting your audio clip in the timeline. Open the Effects panel, search for Studio Reverb, and drag it onto your clip. Now, go to Effect Controls and click on Edit under Studio Reverb. This will open a settings window where you can fine-tune the effect. You'll see a list of presets in the drop-down menu. Options like Great Hall or Large Vocal Reverb work well for creating an echo effect. If you want more control, adjust the wet and dry settings. Dry controls the original voice level, while wet increases the echo. A higher wet value makes the echo more prominent, while lowering the dry value reduces the original voice. For further customization, experiment with the decay setting. Increasing it makes the echo last longer, while lowering it keeps the effect short and subtle. Once you're happy with the sound, play it back to check how it blends with your video. Hi there, it's me in a big cave. 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 That's it. Your audio now has a smooth echo effect.